Hey there, friends! Want to make a festive Valentine's Day drink? Let's create nutrient-packed smoothies that taste great and support strong bodies. Strawberry Banana Bliss. Blend strawberries, bananas, and calcium-rich milk or yogurt. Cherry Almond Delight. Cherries, almond butter, and oats make a filling and iron-rich smoothie. Raspberry Cocoa Shake. Blend raspberries, cocoa powder, and a splash of dairy or plant-based milk for an antioxidant boost. All right, it's quiz time. Let's see if you can get this one right. Which fruit makes a smoothie pink? Strawberries or blueberries? If you said strawberries, you're right. They give smoothies that beautiful pink color. What does banana add to a smoothie? Natural sweetness and energy or salt. Bananas are nature's candy. They add natural sweetness and a boost of energy, making smoothies creamy and delicious. Why is Greek yogurt a great smoothie base? It provides protein and calcium, or it makes smoothies spicy. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and calcium, perfect for a creamy and nutrient-rich smoothie. And nope, it won't make your smoothie spicy. What does cocoa powder add to a smoothie? Antioxidants or sugar? Cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants. It gives your smoothie a chocolatey taste without added sugar. Which fruit is iron-rich and good for smoothies? Cherries or apples? Cherries are a great source of iron, perfect for boosting your smoothie's nutrition. What ingredient adds fiber to a smoothie? Oats or syrup? Oats are fiber-packed and make smoothies extra satisfying. Say goodbye to hunger pangs. Which smoothie ingredient is rich in vitamin C? Oranges or almond butter? Oranges are a vitamin C superstar. They help keep your immune system strong. What is a nutrient-rich alternative to dairy milk in smoothies? Almond or oat milk or soda? Almond and oat milk are great dairy-free options. But soda in a smoothie? No way! What can you freeze to make a smoothie extra thick? Bananas or lettuce? Frozen bananas make smoothies thick and creamy. Just peel and freeze them for later. What is a fun way to decorate a smoothie? Adding heart-shaped fruit on top or pouring ketchup on it. Heart-shaped fruit. Yes, ketchup. Let's not ruin a good smoothie. Cheers to a smoothie-filled Valentine's Day. Which flavor is calling your name? Let us know below. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more tasty tips, and share with a smoothie-loving friend. See you next time for another delicious adventure.